Still struggling with manual alignment and repetitive material placement? Tired of slow pod customization workflows? Introducing the next-generation Sublistar X-press version 6.0. Eliminate manual film positioning. Place your film at any angle or position, and our AI vision algorithm will automatically identify and align it with precision. Perfect for high-speed pod workflows. Precision. Powered by deep learning for millimeter-level recognition and automated registration. Versatility. Supports multi-film simultaneous peeling and multicolored substrates. Quality. Ensures clean edges and zero adhesive residue. Monitoring. Front-facing display provides real-time feedback, turning manual labor into a high-precision, transparent automated process. Integrated workflow. A seamless pre-press heat press repress cycle ensures maximum wash fastness. Intelligent handling. Robotic peeling with an adaptive gripping system that auto-adjusts pressure for everything from thin tees to heavy hoodies. Lights out production. Automated conveyor unloading enables zero human intervention from pressing to finished product, drastically cutting OPEX. Seamlessly switch between full auto, semi-auto, and manual modes. Optimized for mass production, flexible batch-of-one customization and rapid prototyping. Fail-safe. Built-in one-click skip mechanism keeps the line running even if a local error occurs. Premium hardware. Aviation-grade aluminum heat plates and low-noise servo systems guarantee uniform pressure and stable output. Certified tech. Multiple national patents protect the core peeling technology, ensuring a high ROI solution for smart factories.